Okay, oh, you're on the red carpet.
Hey, walk for red bar. You know what I'm really do.
That's me. They're off, and here is the first to show, of course, is Carol. It's Ocean 11, and here they go. Here's Carol Van Trent to take it over.
Yes, and the first player is just taking the lead, and Michael Semple has decided that he's not going to win today. And for sure, horse number 1, Ocean 11 was just taken over by Freshman. And then I can see Carol Bunzel, horse number 3, following closely on Freshman. But coming on the outside is horse number 5, it looks like. Horse number 4 is like mind your business. But it is Freshman. Freshman looking fresh and running fresh. Some 3 lengths ahead of the pack. Carol Bunzel is coming, and Jeff Jacobs and Clausen coming hard by Carol Bunzel. And down the stretch they come, and it is Freshman. Carol Bunzel is the main one on the inside. But Freshman is still looking strong. Freshman is fresh, and she will win today. Freshman, followed by Carol Bunzel, then horse number 1, Ocean 11, and then horse number 2, New Moon, and pick up the rear. It's mind your business.